It's Amy Pinkston, your pink bag lady. Let's talk April Insider Special and why you want to host a party in the month of April. So there's lots of ways to host a party, and if you are interested in finding out all the different ways, please let me know. It's easy. You can do a texting party, you can do an online party, you can simply have a link and send it to friends and family. You can do a catalog party. There are so many options. So don't just hear party and think, oh, I've got to have a bunch of people over to my house. You don't. It's very simple. But here's why you want to have one. The 31 April Insider Special is when you have a party of $500 or more, you are going to get our Deluxe Utility Tote, a $48 item, for $10. $10, y'all, for this huge product. So you're gonna wanna be sure to do this. This is a great way for you to get your hands on a very coveted piece of 31. Everyone loves their Deluxe Utility Tote. I keep one in my car at all times. It is my grocery hauler. It makes it easy and I can fit so much into it. It's very sturdy. You are going to love it. Let's talk about this amazing bag. All right, so it has the wire support around the opening to make it easy to hold its shape, very much like our large utility tote. So you've got this wire frame around the opening. It is collapsible for easy storage, so you can collapse it down flat and put it in the back of your car. It has a laminated interior that wipes clean easily. It has webbed handles with a 15-inch drop, and they are secured with metal grommets, so you are not gonna have to worry about these coming loose. It's 2 inches wider than our large utility tote, so much wider. And then it has, one of the things I love about it is it has this flat bottom that makes it's a flat, hard bottom that makes it more stable than the large utility tote. It also, because it is so big and can hold so much, has side handles, so I love those. Sometimes I might have a little bit too much in here and I need to use those side handles to carry it in. It might hurt the shoulders a little bit. I'm going to show it to you on the side. So it is really easy to carry, easy to hold your groceries and go shopping with that. So it also has, one of the things I love about it, is it has 3 exterior pockets here in the front. So you've got some places to put receipts and keys and your phone. So you could literally just take this in to the store and not have to take anything else. The fabric here with the Deluxe Utility Tote, it is 10 recycled plastic bottles. Can you believe that? 10 recycled plastic bottles. So I wanted to give you real quick the dimensions. It is 11.75 inches in height, 21.5 inches in length, and 12.625 inches in diameter. Now it's gonna come in 5 prints. This beautiful print, which is ink blocks. It also comes in our basic charcoal crosshatch, which is kind of like a black. It comes in our gray patchwork, our soft camo, and our multicolored stripe. So you're gonna have 5 options that you can choose from with this Deluxe Utility Tote. You can contact me any of the ways below through email, Facebook, text, phone call, you name it, through the website, and I will help you get a party link set up. If you have not subscribed to the Pink Bag Lady channel, please do. Take a minute to like this video if you found it helpful. And if you do not have a 31 consultant, I would love to be your Pink Bag Lady.